Working on this yard today because there's trees growing all the way through there. Just got done taking that one down, and there was trees growing all up through that fence. Just got taking those ones down. Ladies, if your man says he needs a trailer, don't question him, just go out and get it. You hear that noise? That is the lovely sound of the cicada, also known as the locust. They only come out so few often. I think it takes like 20 years for them to mature to make that noise. Oh, it's so beautiful. You don't hear it any other time of the year.